Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what's inside of this box. Inside of this box is a sound synthesizer I made on a Cortex M4 microcontroller. To be precise, on a Stellaris Launchpad development board. And in my previous video I demonstrated how it sounds. And now, for those who are interested, I'll open this thing up and show you what's inside. So, yes, I'll just unscrew these screws. You can see that the actual device enclosure is a standard Chinese gray box, which I then decorated by myself with some graffiti paint, or how do you call it? Spray paint. First I painted all black and then I tried to do some stencil work on top of it, but obviously it failed, so I have these blobs of red paper, which resembles blood to me actually, which is interesting. And also, by coincidence, I got this red and black knob caps, which completes the look of this instrument. Well, yeah, it may look neat outside, but it's not so nice inside. Actually, this is my first in my life electronics project, and you can see that now. Yes. So, well, this is a lot of wires which connect these potentiometers which are mounted on the top cover of the enclosure, and then they are connected to several, well, actually three boards. I'll turn flashlight somehow. Can I? No, I can. Oh, okay. Yeah, now it's better. So you see the actual Stellaris Launchpad board here, and it has this microcontroller in center, and this microcontroller runs on 80 megahertz, which allows to do actual audio signal synthesis in real time. Yeah, and also to make, well, obviously this processor is programmed with the synthesizer software I developed, and then to convert the digital signals it produces, it connects to digital to analog converter, which is I don't know, which is one of these chips. I can't remember for sure because it was quite a while when I finished the project, quite a while ago. So I think, yeah, this is, so this chip, this one is a digital to analog converter, which is connected by using SPI bus to our development board, and this second chip is optocoupler, which is used to connect to MIDI circuit, MIDI input, which is here, and this is how this device is connected to MIDI keyboard. Also, it has some filtering capacitors here and headphones output. So it's not very complicated actually. The main work here was to write actual software and if anyone is interested, I'll provide link at the bottom of the video to the repository of the source code, which you can look at. And unfortunately, I don't have schematics for this project. As I said, this is my first electronics project in my life, so I wasn't bothering to capture actual schematic. But now I understand how important it is, but sorry. Yeah, and well, you can see that there is this green board underneath the red board, and this is just to wire the red board outputs which are underneath. So they are connected with these headers, and then the wires are connected to them here. And the wires are connected to the potentiometer. Sorry, I'm being not very clear, but basically this board is used to connect the red board to the potentiometers. Yeah, and it is powered by this cord here, and this is actually the same cord which I used to program and debug it. And this cord is just connected to USB. Now it's connected to regular sockets to USB converter. But when I was programming it, it was connected to my computer. Actually, this board supports external power, not USB power. But then somehow I thought, well, if I will need to reprogram it to fix something, then I could use the same cord for programming and powering it also. Yeah, so I think that's it. Yeah, and again, if you want to hear how it sounds, then please use the linked video, my previous video of the demonstration. So, thanks for watching. Yeah.